Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Gobbledycook. Valentine's Day is around the corner, and what better way to celebrate than with chocolates or alcohol, or maybe both. Today I bring to you beautiful truffles in 3 flavors spiked with some brandy. Trust me my friends, if your partner is not high on your love already, then he or she will definitely be after having these chocolates. Make these and let me know in the comments below which flavor you liked the best. And do subscribe to our channel to stay on top of all the new recipes that are posted. Let's get going. Take the pecans in a Ziploc bag. Pound them into rough pieces. Do not crush into a fine powder. Roast the coconut flakes until golden brown. We have used unsweetened flakes and added some brown sugar to it after roasting, but you can use sweetened flakes as well. Roast the pecans until brown and fragrant. Let's move on to making a chocolate ganache. Take the chocolate chips in a bowl, add the bar of chocolate, add some butter and set aside. We need to set up a bain-marie, which is a fancy term for a double boiler. Heat some water in a pan and bring to a gentle simmer. Place the bowl of chocolate in it, taking care that the bowl does not touch the surface of the water. Also, make sure that the water is simmering and not boiling. Heat, stirring gently until the chocolate starts to melt. Do not overheat the chocolate because it will lose its smooth texture. Once the chocolate has melted, take it off the bain-marie and add the cream. Add the brandy. Add 1/8 teaspoon salt. We apologize for forgetting to get a footage of this piece. Whisk until the mixture is smooth and creamy and has the texture of silk. Okay, sneaking in a little more brandy there. Once the ganache is ready, set to cool in the fridge. Take out from the fridge after 2 hours. Use an ice cream scoop to scoop out little balls of the chilled ganache. If it seems too hard, just let it rest a bit before working with it. So I'm going to be rolling these out into little spheres, and it need not be perfect. Just try to get a little spherical shape here, because when we are going to later coat it with our different toppings, it's going to get an irregular shape anyway. So don't spread it out too much if you're not able to get perfect round balls. And it is a little messy, but it's going to be so much worth it at the end. And I swear my hands are washed. Okay, so I rolled out my first batch, and now I'm going to just set these to cool in the refrigerator before I roll them up in the toppings. Now on to our flavoring ingredients. Here's our first flavor, chocolate powder. Roll the truffles in the powder, pressing the powder lightly onto the truffles. Next comes the coconut flakes. Use the same technique to coat the truffles. And finally, the crushed pecans. Once done, lay out in a serving dish and enjoy. If you liked this recipe, show some love this Valentine's Day and subscribe to the channel.